jokes, and I made a quick slideshow about the Bytes and Bots Summer Camp. The first game that we coded was the quiz game, which was just a simple quiz that would ask you around 5 questions related to STEM, and it would tell you whether you were correct or incorrect. And then there was also a number guessing game in which the computer or software would guess a number, choose a random number between 1 and 10, and the user would try to guess that number, and the computer would tell you if the number that the computer chose was higher, lower, or you got it right. And Hangman was just a normal game of Hangman, and so in the software producer would put in a list of words. The computer would choose a random one of those words, and then the user would try to guess those letters of the word. And the restaurant was just software that acted like a server and would give the user a few menus of appetizers, main courses, drinks, and desserts, and the user would choose whatever one they wanted to purchase, and then the software would just be completed. And the tic-tac-toe was, once again, just a normal game of tic-tac-toe. There would be 2 users, and whichever user got 3 in a row first would win. And rock, paper, scissors was the user against AI, so when the software would choose either rock, paper, or scissors, it was random, and the user would also choose rock, paper, scissors, and then the user would type in rock, paper, scissors, and the computer would tell them if they won or they lost, or if it was a draw. Yeah, that was all.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for him? Oh, I have a question. Which one was your favorite project, and why?
I think the Hangman, because we learned a lot of things like how to do a mask, and then how to and also it was the first time we did gave the computer a choice at doing like a random, just giving it a choice of random, and we also learned about lists.
All right, let's give a round of applause.